So fellas, this video might not be for everyone. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I am always exploring and trying to figure out what ways that adult men like myself, guys, I'm 46 years old. And so I'm always thinking about how can I incorporate the old with the new and still look young. I'm a grown ass man, and it's really important for me to not look like my little cousins or even my son, but to incorporate what I'm calling and what I understand now is that adult street, where guys my age are, they're trying to transition and maybe get a little stuck when it comes to what to wear because you have so much influence and have been so influenced by hip hop and rap over the years and not know how to make that transition and not go too far to the extreme where I'm not overly street and I'm not ultimately too conservative. So I like to make that juxtapose and merge the two together. On today's video, we're going to be discussing 3 ways to incorporate camo. Let's go. What's up, fellas? It's Ihsaan of the StyleJumper, your guide to personal style. If you're new to the channel, we release videos where we discuss topics like style, confidence, and etiquette. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we release our next video. Today I'm introducing camo and how camo can be used in a stylish and elegant way. I wanted to introduce and talk about camo because usually that's when people wear camos when it's a little colder outside. Camos with a minimalist look. And so what I wanted to do, and on this look, I decided to add a solid color sweater, and it could be a turtleneck as well. One of the most important things about the camos that I wear is that they're a chino style, flat front, and they're very slender. They're not a cargo pant. So keep that in mind. If you get an opportunity to come across a pair of chinos that has a camouflage print, grab them. And what makes this minimalist is I really focus on, in this case, a sweater, and then also a solid when it comes to my overcoat. So my overcoat here is a cement tone, and I'm wearing cement tone Oxfords. Remember guys, the rule of 3 is really critical. It looks really clean, super elegant, and I promise guys, if you try it and think of it in that nature, you probably can pull it off. Look 2. In this look, I really do wanted to step it up a little bit. And so what I did was I used an apricot sport coat with gold buttons. And then also I used an accessory, which is my glasses. These glasses are circular golden frame as well, which really adds to the eye and really introduces a sophistication to this look. The other thing that I did, and remember, rule of 3, is that I have on a white Oxford shirt. I button it all the way up, which still gives that stately look. I paired my apricot sport coat with my Oxford shoes that are two-tone, but it keeps the eye going. It keeps everything cohesive. Even though I'm wearing camouflage chinos, you didn't get lost in the look because you're looking at those solid colors and they're really clean, really crisp, and they work well together. This third look, if you go with a traditional camo jacket that you can find at your local surplus store, it's never going to go out of style. I think the mind goes to the tradition of camouflage and military and that whole thing of strength and power. It really makes you focus. So you're like, wow, this guy is really creative in being bold. However, that adds to your confidence. It shows that you're willing to put things together in a unique way, but also have that urban vibe or have that street vibe trends. One of the things that you want to think about when it comes to camouflage is don't get caught up in the trends. Maybe it's a camouflage blazer, camouflage pea coat, or a camo bomber jacket, because what's going to happen 9 times out of 10, you're going to purchase it, wear it for that particular season that is quote hot, and then it's going to be chucked in your closet and it's just going to be one more thing that's collecting dust. Today's cheat code. Here's a great cheat code. If you haven't done this, and it's something that I haven't done yet, but I think it'll be really cool, is to consider camo from a foreign country. It's going to create curiosity and conversations. Try it out and let me know what you think. Fellas, do me a favor. Let me know in the comments which look speaks to you. And remember, your comments are really important to me. And definitely give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content because it helps the channel to grow. Fellas, if you want to see more great looks of what I'm wearing, go over to my Instagram and check it out at the StyleJumper. There are some great looks that you can incorporate into your style, or at least give you some idea of what you can play around with. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments below. And if you like this content, share with your stylish friends. And remember, when you leave home today, walk out with style, confidence, and etiquette. And fellas, camo's not for everybody, but if you take these small steps and incorporate camo into your wardrobe, I'm sure without a doubt, if you try it out, you won't be disappointed. We'll see you next time.